finished this intensive 3 days, 4 days together in Calafell, and I would like to tell you some words of conclusion and summarizing these 3 days being together in this kickoff meeting. My personal thought and the thought of the management team has been really positive. I think that we share the idea that people has come with enthusiasm, and that we have been working these days with enthusiasm, and that it has, although we had this framework of the project, we have already started a detailed plan. We have seen that some of the coordinators of the work package have been intensively working and chatting together, and that's really positive, because that means that you are enthusiastic and that you really feel that you want to work in this project. And that we have also had the first chance with some of you to meet for the first time and to contact between partners, between these people that we are going to work together during these 5 years. I would also like to thank the Council and the actual government, and I personally hope that we can close this project with the same smiling that we go home today. Thank you.
Bé, espero que ho hagin estat, s'hagin sentit no com a casa, però el més proper possible a casa, que s'hagin trobat ben acollit a Calafell. I ara que ja saben on està Calafell, nosaltres també els rebrem com hem intentat fer-lo fins ara. Que aquí a Calafell ja poden venir quan vulguin, perquè ara ja sabem on estem.
I hope that these days you have feel like home here, and we will always welcome you here in Calafell like these days.
Que tinguin una bona tornada a casa seva i res més.
Good trip back home.